Welcome back to Car Culture, where we talk machines, power, and the lifestyle that comes with it. Today we're diving into the brand new 2026 Yamaha Snowmobile, a machine that's already creating serious buzz among winter sports fans and performance lovers alike. Yamaha has taken everything riders loved about previous generations and sharpened it into a snowmobile that's faster, smarter, and more refined than ever before. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Yamaha Snowmobile looks aggressive and purpose-built. The body design is sleeker and more aerodynamic, helping it slice through snow with less resistance. Yamaha has focused heavily on weight reduction this year, using lightweight materials in the chassis without compromising strength. The result is a snowmobile that feels more responsive and easier to control, whether you're carving trails or powering through deep powder. Under the hood, Yamaha brings serious performance. The 2026 model is powered by an advanced high-output engine designed for smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. Throttle response is sharp, delivering instant power when you need it most. Yamaha has also refined its cooling system, ensuring consistent performance even during long, demanding rides. Whether you're an aggressive rider or someone who enjoys long-distance cruising, this snowmobile delivers confidence at every speed. Handling is where the 2026 Yamaha Snowmobile truly shines. The updated suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, providing a stable and comfortable ride across rough terrain. Improved ski design enhances steering precision, giving riders better control in tight corners and at high speeds. Yamaha has clearly focused on rider feedback, making this model feel intuitive and predictable, even for less experienced riders. Technology plays a big role this year as well. The digital display has been upgraded, offering clear ride data such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and temperature, all easy to read even in harsh winter conditions. Select trims are expected to include ride modes, allowing riders to adjust performance settings based on terrain and riding style. Yamaha's attention to detail makes the riding experience feel modern and premium. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seating position is optimized for long rides, reducing fatigue, while the handlebars and controls feel natural and ergonomic. Heated grips and seat options are expected on higher trims, making cold weather riding more enjoyable than ever. Yamaha understands that performance means nothing if the rider isn't comfortable. Now let's talk about the price tag. The 2026 Yamaha Snowmobile is expected to start at around $15,500, with higher performance and feature-rich trims reaching up to $19,000, depending on configuration and optional packages. For what Yamaha is offering in performance, reliability, and technology, the pricing feels competitive in the premium snowmobile market. That's it for today's look at the 2026 Yamaha Snowmobile. If you're thinking about upgrading your winter ride, this machine should definitely be on your radar. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Culture for more automotive and powersports content.